Back in February 2019, I hit the scene. Volatility trading, live streams on the screen. Day trades, iniquities, highs and the lows. Documenting my grind where the money flows from zero to hero. Chasing that dream, financial freedom, yeah, that's the thing. Sharing my wins, my losses, my plays. Building a community through those trading days. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Futures and props, I'm showing you how. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Join the journey, let's make it count. To invest, yeah, that's the name. Trading for free, playing the game. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Subscribe and thrive, no need to doubt. Years roll by, I kept it filing. But into 23, I made the switch. Futures calling, Propfirms inside. New strategies, trading through the night. From volatility trading to invest bold. Evolving the channel, stories unfold. Live streams and tips for traders like you. Financial freedom, we're breaking through. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Futures and props, I'm showing you how. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Join the journey, let's make it count. To invest, that's the name. Trading for freedom, playing the game. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Subscribe and thrive, no need to doubt. Through ups and downs, the market's wild ride. I've got the insights right by your side. From equities to futures, the path I've paved. To invest forever, the knowledge you've craved. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Yeah, that's the shout.
Yeah, it's cold VOLA, we flipping the script. Nasdaq futures, yeah, we making it rip. Fresca in hand, chips ruffle, we stream. Live with the squad, chasing that dream. Screens lit up, Nasdaq's calling my name. Day trading with VOLA, I'm changing the game. Cold VOLA's the sauce, I'm scalping with ease. Catching those ticks like a breeze in the trees. Poker chips ruffling, I'm stacking my bread. Straight to fun dig, I pay out to my head. Marbles racing, they rolling down the line like my trades in the zone. Yo, I'm feeling so fine. VOLA's game, yeah, we running the play. Live stream, popping giveaways every Friday. Amazing dad, great trader, I'm the man. Fresca, sipping marble, spinning, got a plan. VOLA's game, I'm trading with style. Nasdaq's my world, I'm going that mile. From the charts to the fam, I'm winning it all. Cold VOLA's the fire, I'm answering the call. Live streams on, yo, the chat's going wild. Dropping VOLA wisdom, got the crowd all riled. Fresca on the desk, keep it cool, keep it crisp. Hit that like and subscribe, join the trading assist. Friday's the vibe, trader fives giving it back. Giveaways flowing like a funded account. Stack from the markets to home, I'm the dad they adore. Great trader by day, yo, I'm setting that VOLA's game. Yeah, we running the play. Live stream, popping giveaways every Friday. Amazing dad, great trader, I'm the man. Fresca, sipping marble, spinning, got a plan. VOLA's game, I'm trading with style. Nasdaq's my world, I'm going that mile. From the charts to the fam, I'm winning it all. Cold VOLA's the fire, I'm answering the call. Chips clack loud, marbles racing the flash. Fresca's fizz, popping while I'm stacking that cash. Live stream glow, like and subscribe to the crew. Cold VOLA's the spark, making dreams come true. Funded fast, no delay, I'm claiming my spot. Trader files a fam, yo, we taking that shot. Dad life, trader life, I'm rocking both worlds. Live streams to stage, watch my story unfurl. VOLA's game, yeah, we running the play. Live stream, popping giveaways every Friday. Amazing dad, great trader, I'm the man. Fresca, sipping marble, spinning, got a plan. VOLA's game, I'm trading with style. Nasdaq's my world, I'm going that mile. From the chart hearts to the flame, I'm winning it all. Cold VOLA's the fire, I'm answering the call. Cold VOLA, yeah, I'm trading with heart, fresher in my hand, live streams where I start, chips ruffling, bubble fly, I'm the dad, I'm the king, like and subscribe, yo, I'm doing my thing.
Woke up this morning, charts are green, path to freedom, living the dream. Futures trading, stacking the wins. No more worries, where the struggle begins. Kids laughing loud, future so bright. I'll give them the world, hold them tight, teach them the ropes, life's ups and downs, from trading floors to playground grounds. Oh, the road ahead is golden and wide, financial freedom with my family by my side. Great dad in the making, sharing my fire, lessons of life, lifting them higher. Every state calling, adventures away from coast to coast. We'll celebrate, world's our playground, with love as our guide. Amazing life coming, feel the tide. Feel the tide. One day they'll learn the traders are reading the market.
What's going on, everybody? I'm just trying to figure out a better way to put all this stuff on the screen.
50 states strong,
Still got
road trips and
13 minutes or so.
where we belong. Youngest turns 21, Vegas lights gleam, toasting the futures, living the dream. Wife by my side, hand in hand we'll roam, kids tagging along, making it home. Oh, the road ahead is golden and wide, financial freedom with my family by my side. Great dad in the making, sharing my fire, lessons of life.
Pretty sure this box is going to get bigger. I'm leave a little room at least for right now.
Calling, adventures away from coast to coast. We'll celebrate, world's our playground, with love as our guide. Amazing life coming, feel the tide. Feel the tide. No looking back, only forward we
Alright.
go.
We'll see how that works out.
Hearts full of promise, watch the love grow. From humble trades to a sky.
Good morning, everybody. Jason, Tris, Machado, the other Jason,
Thanks to you,
Paul, Rob, Pushback, Waffles. How we doing?
joy in the chase, family forever.
I was expecting kind of a big down move with kind of what was going on in Mexico and stuff like that, but
Head is golden and
it's
white.
like not so much.
Financial freedom with my family by my side. Great dad in the making, sharing
I don't know if I want to keep this account up actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, especially. Now, let me reverse these.
adventures away.
So the way I have it set up, I have my Tradeify growth funded account as my main account. So let me get that up first, because that's what I'm going to be doing all the actual trading on. And then I have everything else following that. But I want to have the Apex one up in the background, just in case I want to trade that 300k eval. I just have to make sure I always keep my trade copia right where it's at. 'Cause it won't let me do a window capture with trade copia for some reason. So I gotta make sure I leave that where it's at. But I need to update my spent again, because I just paid for all those PAs, which was 375 bucks. So when Need Heat gets here this morning, we have to remind him. Actually, let me DM him. I actually bought 2 Lucid Flex accounts too at the 50% off. That's 100, so 475. And then I bought one more take profit, which was, I bought a 25k. And I set my daily loss limit on all of them. Make sure they're all working. Yep. So the only one I don't have a daily loss limit on of 700. Well, it doesn't even need to be a daily loss limit. Technically, it only needs to be a trade loss limit. But if I lose 700 bucks, we'll figure that out when we get there. Hopefully, we don't get there for a little while. But that's more so so that I can't, so I don't abuse the MAE rule on Apex. But I should have a max loss in there anyway. Alright, how much? So 475, and then take profit trader account, which costs, let's see. I'm crushing it, trust screen gleaming. Click so cold, whole squad daydreaming. Wrist so small, but the gain obscene. And if there's one king here, you're seeing him. 90. Oh no, this is, yeah, 90. That was 90, so 75, so 565. Levels marked up like a secret code. I knew this move for the candle spoke. Now they run my route like I wrote that road. I don't pray to the screen. I prep, back the scars on my rep. Lost big once. Now I step with a taste, stop loss and respect. Spreadsheet stats, that's proof, that's tape. Edge so sharp, cut down, cut hate. I don't need luck, I just calculate. By the time they guess, I'm out the gate. Huh! Red day, cool. That's tuition, not doom. I just shrink that size, then I fill that room. Next day green and I run that place, same rule, same grind, just a bigger buffet. I know we need to change that payouts received instead of spent. Crushing it, day trade demon. Green candle stacked up my pledge, I mean. So just roll. And if the wick out quick, I'm cleaning. There we go. Back so fat that drawdown leaning. I'm crushing it, chart screen gleaming. Click so cold, whole squad daydreaming. Reach so small, but the gain obscene. What's that bring us to? 8249 plus, what did I say, 565, 881. Alrighty. Let's pause this for now. Go to these guys. Yeah, I keep wanting to put this earphone on, but I can't because I gotta listen for the kids in case they need help.
But I just really wish, or not wish, I really thought that we were going to wake up to a tanking market. But, I mean, I guess it kind of did when we opened, right? No, because we closed down here. Wait, we did? This doesn't, oh. Yeah, I would say okay, so we did when we opened back up. We did drop quite a bit, actually. Like 200 points. Nothing crazy. Thought it would have been more, and we pretty much almost got back up there. About halfway up now. Not that early. Bell's about to ring, bruh. What's up, Cody? Good morning. Not looking to get involved at the open unless it's on the Apex eval. If I do trade that at the open, I'll let you know because you can't see it. I've seen a lot of people talking about ATR. What's up, Mom? Good morning. Mom, we did get about 2 inches of snow. The kids are actually virtual learning. That's funny. I answered your question before you asked it. Oh, am I on ultra low I am. Okay. I need to make sure the other ones are changed. So the lag shouldn't be there today. And we got about 2 minutes here. Y'all should go to Mexico and party with the cartels during the snow winter. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about ATR, but honestly, I wouldn't even know where to start because ATR is another one of those things where you can modify it. It's not like a set number, you know? I mean, I guess if you just put the standard, let me see. Put it on the chart just to see, or on one of my indicators down the bottom there. See, just because standard, I want to see how much it expands at the open here. I like really raise my volume, get that high. The other one, like. All right, 30 seconds. Let's get ready. Don't do anything silly. Probably not going to be trading the open on my funded accounts. Let me make sure I'm on MNQ, which I was not. Gonna just chill with one contract to kind of make sure the copy trader is working correctly, etc. And we'll go from there. I'm literally copying everything, so probably not going to copy at the open because I don't want to get caught in anything crazy. All right, here is the open. Big shot up through 25K. I probably will take a position on the 300K. It's running into it. I want to see it shoot up through. Goes. Whoa. Oh, it automatically closed me out of the position because it's part of the copy trader, I think. Damn it. Shit. All right, I'm gonna disconnect that one from and get that one out of there. I guess it worked out a little because now I get a better entry. All right, cool. It didn't automatically stop me out there. All right, I'm gonna look for the much bigger pullback here. I'm gonna let this one ride if I can.
Order filled.
Currently in at 25.25. I'm gonna see if this can't get back below 25K. Like, I'm gonna try to ride this down to the lows. We can get a big move here. We might be able to pass this. I'm just gonna do previous candle for now. So stop is at 25.19. I'm gonna try to ride this, guys. All right, up 1,000 a contract here. I know you guys can't see it, but you can imagine it. I'm gonna try to hold this and see if we can't go all the way down. A bit of a rip and dip, as we call it. I would love to pass this account. Get this one funded as well. I wish I was in the other accounts right now. Holy crap. Even if I did have to add there, we still would have been in the green overall. Do I take the 1,000 here and just move on? Nah, I'll hold it. Worst case scenario, we give back a lot, like 900. But I want to see if we can't get all the way back down. That was a pretty good rejection candle. Let's go. Oh man, damn it. Oh, didn't stop us out yet. Ugh. We're right above this candle. And stopped. All right. So we're up $100 now instead of 1,000. Unfortunate. I was really looking for this thing to just die, which I still am. But that was quite the reverse candle back up. I'm actually gonna jump back in here, right here. All right, in at 36. Really want to see this just die again. Looking for this to be a fake out. If it tries to go higher, we'll look to just manage and probably get out. I really feel like we're going to roll over. Where is the current high? At 59? Yeah, we might go touch that first. Might double down here, actually. Nah, I'll just let it go. I'm not selling, or I'm not covering. I'm going to let this go. Actually, I really wanted to double down. I did not think we were going to pop all the way back up to the highs like that. ATR up at 20, actually. Dang. Yeah, I need to start paying attention to what's good there. Still holding. I'm in at 36. I'm going to put my stop at break even. Currently up 500. Looking for this to just roll over. And looks like we're going to get stopped again. Man. Yep. Just tagged me there for my stop. I was right below break even. You dirty dog. Go higher. Go test the... I thought for sure if we got back up there again, we would test the highs. If this fails from here, I'm going to be pretty sad. Could have... It sucks in retrospect because you're looking for the home run and you only end up with like $150 when you could have been up $1,500. Wow, if this works now, I'm going to be pretty pissy. I am not currently in a position. Yeah, you're right about the intraday drawdown. That's true. I'm actually down 900 of it right this second. And this looks like it's going to fail. I got to order to... Oh, I just got in. I'm in at 91. I was going to say if it broke down, I got to order to get in. And of course, it's a fake out. I really thought we were just going to dump there. Shit. Well, that's quite possibly the worst entry I've ever seen. Unless we somehow start to get back down there. Just trying to hold down here. Nope. I'm so salty. My stop, you can't even see the candle where I stopped out that last one. I'm literally at the top of it. All right, it's working here. I actually added to it. I got 2 contracts. Average is at 82. Both of my entries look so bad. But I guess this is what chasing looks like. We should be up over 1,000 on that one contract from up there, but unfortunately, that is not the case. We're about to get faked again. Playing with fire here with a bias. Probably not even be in this trade at all, but I think I was a little pissed off I got stopped out at the top there. Hopefully this doesn't just rip back up. Very well could. So that candle, the high of that candle was 25.3350. My stop order is 25.3350. Just as an FYI. All right, if I see full drawdown again, I'm going to just take it. Right now we're at break even. It looked like it was going to work there, and now it does not. Now it looks like it was a fake out. Shit. All right. I need to try to just get out of this. This isn't looking good. Need to get out. Let me out. Don't go straight to the highs, please. Don't go straight to... Don't... Jesus. Let me out first. Let me out first. My average is right at 25K right now. Trying to get out. Need a little pop under 25K here. It is teasing me, obviously. That's what it does best. Come on, get me out of here. Gotta be kidding me. It's gonna use 25K as support now. Oh. Oh, got one out. I had 3 orders basically right next to each other, but it only gave me one of them. There's another. It won't give me the other one. They were like right next to each other. I got that one. All right, I got one left just to see if it wants to let us continue here. Oh, I'm literally at 980. What did that go to? 980, 75, 3 ticks. The old 3 ticker. This thing's moving 40, 50 points in a candle, and it 3 ticks me. Market's got jokes as usual. Which is TP because, yeah, so true. Oh, that's what it just did. It just kissed my TP. I wish you guys could see it. Unfortunately, I don't really know how to do that best because I can't switch between trade evades. All right, this actually looks, ah, damn it. I tried to move it down. All right, it filled me there at 980. I'm completely out of the trade. We are up 668. I wanted to hold that because it looked like it was going to roll over now. It didn't. It failed to get back up to the highs, and it looks like it's rolling over. I mean, I could jump back in, but now I'm chasing it. Damn it. What a back and forth. If we would have just took the 1,000 when we were up 1,000 both times. Of course it dumps now. I knew it. I should have. I tried to move it. It didn't let me, though. It filled me too quick. All right, I'm not going to get long now. I'm going to wait for the bigger push. Although I do kind of really want to take this 50 retest. Just trying to scalp the 50 retest here. Of course, it's going to just die now. Got 2 contracts, average at 34.50. Just both of them are below 50. Both take profits, like they're around 45. There's the little rubber band snapback you're looking for, but that was not as big as you want it to be. I mean, look at this candle. How big is this candle? 28. That's an 80-point candle. I was only looking for 15-point snap, and it gave us 10, which isn't good. I was just trying to trade within the move here. I might get burned. Yeah, this is not looking great. Straight down the 900. Why can I not still be holding that other contract? Instead, I'm stuck here. All right, just looking for previous candle now. Oh, is this just gonna go straight down? We're gonna lose this account all because of something stupid. Looking for a quick scalp, and now I'm gonna screw myself here. All right, need like 920, 925 here. I'll be fully out. Got 2 out at 917 area if we can get there. Come on. Mitigate the risk a little bit. Come on. Come on, man. Keeps tickling me. I hate mornings like this. I really do. We were close to almost starting the copy trader there. Almost got to the bottom band there. Come on. 1 green candle. Might be in trouble here. Don't get some sort of a bounce. Looking for much. Just looking for 925. Just tickled my my average at 915. This isn't looking good. This ain't looking good. We got my overall bias was right, and now I'm fighting against it like an idiot. Come on. 1 green candle that actually breaks a previous candle. It could be green, but we needed to break previous as well. Well, there's the green candle, but it did not break previous. I think we're in trouble here. We need this candle to go, or we're in trouble. This one doesn't. Oh, are you? That did not fill me anything. 916.25, and my order's at 917. Another 3 tick. We're screwed. Another 3 tick. Another 3 tick. Yeah, we're fucked. That's a fake out. This thing might go straight to the lows. You gotta be kidding me. 3 ticks, man. 3 ticks again. This is brutal. Look at it skipping numbers now. We're fucked. I'm so fucked. Well, this account is fucked anyway. I might start a position on the other account here. Not yet, though. I can't believe it 3-ticked me like that, man. Because then we mitigate some of the risk. And then we could have added on that push down there after. We got like 33,000 of drawdown left right here, which if it starts skipping, we're fucked. All right, I'm actually gonna. I really want to take a position here. I don't want to get fucked. We need 9. We need to get back to the top of these candles. I was about to start a position there. I wish I would have. That was a quick 30 points, but it's okay. We're not even near the bands, which is also scary. All right, we might be okay here. Go, go, go. I got 3 sitting at 912. Come on. Come on. There we go. Got those 3. I got another one at 924. I might take another one off just to be safe. Come on, get up there. Break it. Damn it. I left one up at 925 because I thought if we got back up here, we'd break. Might have been a little greedy there. Don't you dare go all the way back down. Come on. Looking for it to hold 900. We can get the pop to 925. I will put a stop in here at 910. Come on, go hit it. Oh, I'm at 924.50. I went to 920.75. There it is. Come on. 923.25. 5 ticks. You gotta be kidding me. 3 ticks, 1 tick, 5 ticks. This thing's moving 30 points at a time and it's coming down to ticks. This is ridiculous. What a joke, man. What a joke. What a fucking joke. What's up, SK? Yeah, the EMA is right there. Come on. At least give me that fill. It is not. It's gonna literally toy with me. I should just be taking this off. I'm being completely greedy here. Being so greedy. Go, you crapper. Go, you crapper. Go, you crapper. You kidding me? Come on. What a tease. I'm gonna take it off and then it's gonna go. We already know how this works, Eric. Finally. All right, I still got one left here. Putting a stop at 911. Either this goes here or we stop at 911. And we stopped at 911. What a joke. Oh, I'm putting a buy stop order here. I do not want this to go all the way back up without me. All right, we're back in looking for exactly that. Go, 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 go. Boom. All right, took that off. 950. I got back. This is such a mess of a chart, man. I knew that was going to happen once I got out. I mean, this could go all the way back to 25K. Still no trade. Of course, the time I am this active trading, I don't have it open for you guys to see. But I wanted you. This is all the funded stuff. I don't want you taking the trades that I just took anyway. But we're up 1434 on that account. Now, only if we would have just took the 1,000 from over here and somehow held on to the position over here, we probably would have passed it. Boom. ATR's at 31. Yeah, I've been watching that. What is a normal, like, high ATR? Or like what's a range day look like? What's the ATR on a range day? Just like 20? I don't know. I've never really. It's funny. I trade the Keltner channels, which are based off ATR, but I've never actually watched the actual ATR. Oh yeah, Nutty said he was going to use my code to buy his Tradeify accounts. Let me see if he bought Tradeify accounts. He did not. It's going to yell at him, but... Alrighty, well, worked out. Hey, where's Bitcoin? I saw it was at 65 or 60. Was it 63? 64. Got the 64. Oh, it's back up to what, 65, 66. Go make let me go say hi to Methodical real quick. It worked out. It worked out. We're up 1434 with full drawdown. I was shorting the highs and then it kept stopping me out, and then I longed the dip around 24,940 and I got absolutely pummeled. But it worked out. Here, let me show you. I'll show you the chart. All right. So first trade was here. Oops. First stop was here. Added, took profit, got out. Got back in, took it off here. Had two contracts. I think I started it again, then I added, took one off, and then we got stopped out literally at the top of this candle. Then I was mad because we got stopped out here, that I jumped in here and here, added here and here. We're in 4 contracts. Took off 3 here and then took off 1 there. Now I started a long position, 1, 2, 3, 4, added 1 here on the way back up. Then it went back down, took off 3 here, 4, and then I got, or no, 4 was here, and then I got stopped out on this one. And I was like, you got to be kidding me. So I put a buy stop order just in case it did break here, looking for this breakout. So this was a buy and then a sell, and that was it. I kept getting faked out. So there we go.
That was legitness.
I'm not hiding it from you guys. This feels like it's going to roll over. Have you seen the new game Muginix? Never heard of it. Hey, I need to check arc raiders. I think the thing opens up today. Let me open that up real quick. No, we didn't roll over. A little fake out, actually. Still no trades on the main account. Didn't trade the open where we hit the bands, but obviously the bands don't count quite yet. There. Want a game like Manic Mansion? That was the best time-consuming games that Nintendo had. I remember that game. I don't remember what it was about though. All right, let me check Arc Raiders real quick. Does this still work for you guys? Let me see. Oh, it does. Nice. I'm not playing Arc Raiders. I'm just checking it, but oh yeah, GDT. There was a glitch, and I abused it, and they took all my money. But I kept all the ducks, so I can just get it all back. Basically, because I was like, oh, I wonder if they're gonna steal all the ducks, but they didn't. If they would have took all the ducks and the money, I would have been screwed, but they didn't, thankfully. Those ducks are worth a lot. All right, Raider. Like this real. Oh, wow. 1 day, 16 hours. So the trials still have a bit too. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep. I'm in Daredevil 3, which is I doubt I'm gonna get all the way up there. I'm just trying to keep my rank. All I would get is a pink color, Alpino color, pink brown, which I don't even know what that is. Let's see if we can even see it. Alpino. Here's the Alpino. Here's the pink brown. That's all I would get extra if I could get higher, but I don't think it's going to happen. I don't even think I like this anyway. Eh. All right. Anyways. Ooh, nice little rollover here. I'm going to play the bounce here off the current low. If we dump through, then we'll be in a fight again. Just looking for this to temporarily bounce. Order out at 85, 85.50. Just looking for the retest. Tried to bounce a little there, but it was 10 points, looking for 20. The bounces are not coming easy today. Son of a bee. Yeah, dang it. I gotta add, just gonna look to take this one off pretty quickly. Still looking for the bigger pushback up. Just looking for the previous candle now, 75. Got one coming off at 63. 63.25. Are you kidding me, man? All right, got that one out. 75.50, just top of this previous candle. 73.50, 2 points, 8 ticks. And oh my. All right, got it. All right, got it. All right, we're up 18.28 on that account. We are 2,200 away from passing that account. I would love to do that either today or tomorrow, sometime this week. I'm not gonna look for the home runs. I'm just gonna look to take my scalps. It'll add up. We'd only be 1,200 away if I would have just took that scalp earlier. Isn't it funny how when you have to pay taxes, they take that shit out like super fast, but when you're waiting for yours, it takes like a month? You guys think we just roll over from here? That was a nice little retest of that. If it can hold under this 890, well, little fake out. Hold on, I gotta go tell my son something for his class. We're back. getting cold. Yeah, the ATR is starting to die down. I guess that is a good way to kind of see. I mean, but there's no different. You just look at the volume, same difference. Oh, we're getting close, by the way, with Take Profit Trader. Don't forget Take Profit Trader is 40% off right now, and no activation fee. So if you guys need any of those accounts, grab those. We're getting close to the free 50K accounts to give away. All right. Just doing some back end stuff while we're waiting for the chart to do something. Why my 3-year-old saying that? I don't know where he got that from. That's insane. What is he saying? Trading? At trading? At sir? Oh, he said that first part. That's funny. This is looking like it wants to hold. But if 900 can hold it down, I don't know. It might just go sideways. Who knows, really? Bitcoin back down to 66K basically. Oh, I remember. I was like, what was I doing? Come on. Yep. Fell under 8 or stayed up above 850, got through 900. That was kind of the make or break area, was the 900. So if we can hold above 900, we might just chop in here, which is kind of sucky because there's really not much for us to do. It's a great day in the neighborhood. I just want to see what we do here. If we break up towards like 970, I might trade this if we can get up through 950. But if not, we'll run some marbles. Let me change it to 5 minutes real quick and we'll just get one started. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 5 minutes. I gotta up the counter to 105. Somebody won 190 bucks last week. The ticker starts again. Should I add the marbles payouts to my spent on Propfirms plus marbles? Oh, I got that in the wrong spot. I gotta remember, I gotta keep that all the way down. Oh, nice little rejection there. Back under 900. Yeah, I put out a video last night about Apex, their email they just sent out last night to affiliates. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment on it. Don't forget to hype it if it lets you. Also, I put a email or a video out about the Lucid Flex account. Very interested in Lucid. They seem to be making a charge. And if you are one that likes to take your time on the evals, Lucid would be pretty good for you. Yeah, Lucid's pretty nice. Code VOLA. Keep going. You got 2 minutes. Damn it. Did it again. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. That's so crazy. All right, let's go say hi to Alpine real quick. Get my updated graphic real quick. Do 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 do. Where is where? Okay, there it is. I was like, where did it go? I need to start deleting some of this stuff. Too much stuff. Here. You waiting for your music thing to start? If what? Yeah, here, let me here. It says, Sarati, please join our Google Meet located in Resources tab at 10:30 for music class. Miss Laurie. Will you need your flute, you think? Music class. Gotcha. I thought they were one and the same. Okay. I was gonna go get you guys lunch. What time? Do you know what time your lunch is? Okay. What is this? It won't let me paste. All right, let's make sure this works. 10:30 candle. All right, we're good to go. All right, closing marbles. Then trader will be the last one. Camden. Camden. 74. Let's do it. I gotta go to build. This looks like it kind of wants to dump. See if it does, or if it's gonna make a higher low. All right, I got marbles up and ready. I just want to see what the chart does here. I want it to dump so we could get a trade, but not looking like we're gonna. All right, maybe. Come on, do something. You know, once I go start marbles, it's gonna do something. I was trying to ask him. Wouldn't say anything. He was ignoring me. Oh, going on. I'm not gonna lie, Cole. This whole time I thought it was like Cole to swing, like swing trade, but I just realized that says Cole's towing. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. All right, we're bouncing. Let's play marbles. Trading for stop loss 5555555555555. First one up. Ooh, nice little reject there at 900. Here we go. Laser time. Ooh. This is starting to look like we're going to hit the lows. This could be a good short with a stop out over the 900 retest. See if we can break 840. Break at 840 and a push away. I'll be getting in looking for the 850 retest. Zelda. Oh. Get in there. Nice. All right, we're breaking that low. Looking for a push away. Down towards 20 would be nice. Jason! Come on, baby. Come on, Jason. Come on, Jason. Get it! Yes! All right, we got at least one shot. Got at least one shot. Oh, he's going for it right away. Yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. Oh, hi, GDT. Stop it. No front spin. Think you're good? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Say usually this is how long it takes to get started. Gather up some steam. All right, here we go. Here we go. All that for that. All that for that. Code VOLA first one up. Let's go. Don't take any balls to the face. Digital nukes. Oh, that was so close. All right, while this one's running, I'm going to go make sure my son got back into class. Be right back. She's in her office, bud. Kobala's getting heavily used this year. I hope so. Means I give more to you guys as well. He's a univestor. Hamza, first attempt at the bridge. Ooh, yeah. GDT, not so lucky this time. Josh, too old to trade? Nah, you can't ever be too old to trade. That's one of the beauties about it. Go away, go away, go away. Nope, nope. Oh, 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 nope. Nope. Watch from the side. We can see the lasers. Nope. Nope. Code VOLA. Nope. Laylo. Nope. Cody. Nope. All right, we'll do one more. One more. Chart is just kind of hovering at the low of the current move. The low of the day is at 807. I'm very interested if we could get down there. So far, we've only traded the eval account if you're just tuning in. Enrique, 91, first one up. Code VOLA, first one out, though. Getting planked. Getting planked. Where's the balls to the face? Getting planked again. Ooh, a little dodge there. Okay, okay. Oh, I took a ball to the face. There's no other way to say it. Air rack. Like the YouTuber. Oh, too much speed. Going for a quick scalp here of 10 points. I'm in at 24.75. And out. Quick little 10 points there. Oh, that laser came down from the heavens. All right, can we get another one? We haven't had anyone go in the middle yet. That is amazing. Let's go. Everyone that's made it this far has actually made it, which is so rare. Laylo, did I just jinx you? I did. I'm sorry. I jinxed you, Laylo. I'm so sorry. It's all right. Edna's got a shot. Cha-ching. This track is brutal. Has anyone ever made it? Oh, yeah. People have won this track, I want to say, like 3 or 4 times at this point. All right, here we go. God, this first laser, man. This first laser is being brutal today. Maybe. 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 All right. Back to the chart, because I think we're actually going to get a trade here. Another one anyway. Not what I have to do. I'm trying to move my chart on OBS. That was kind of silly. You know what I could do? I could bring this over like this and trade it over here. And then you guys could see it. Hey, check that out. Didn't even think about that. Just took that quick little scalp. Was hoping to get the actual push down to the lows here. Pull it down so you can see it. Here we go. We get it. We get it. Nope. Yeah. Well, guess I should have just got in anyway, huh? I obviously knew that that 20-point spike up was coming. Oh, man. We kind of just chop here till about 11. I'm probably going to go because I do need to get them lunch, which I'm pretty sure is at 11:30. All right. Forgot that I was on that screen. Started doing other stuff. Cody, are you in here? Too long, didn't read. Hey Tim, on Tradeovate, do I scroll down to see lower numbers on the chart and allow it to stay? How do I scroll down? I would assume when you hit the arrow that we were trying to find for you, you do that. You can make it, you can set the configure chart element. Where is it? Chart settings. Nope. Is it this settings? View settings. Where is the one where you can adjust the right side? Hold on, let me find it. Figure chart elements. This isn't it. Settings, not it. Hold on. I know it's here somewhere where you can adjust where it sits on the chart. Is it in here? View settings. Ooh, nice little dip back down here. Is it in here? See it. A right click? No, not a right click. Trappers. But anyways, yeah, I was in a meeting. What's up? Oh, I was. I just saw your DM on Discord. I said too long, didn't read. Bitcoin's down to 65. Yeah, I was just talking about that this morning. So on the right side of the chart, if you just scroll up and down, you can adjust it, and it should stay when you're done scrolling. You can, and then if you click and drag it, it moves the chart up and down. But if you just scroll wheel, it does that. But I know somewhere you can make it so it's fixed in a fixed position. So when you hit this, it'll be a certain amount away from the right, but I can't find it. It's here somewhere. Just got to find it. Oh, so like if I do this and then hit this. Oh, yeah, it does. I don't know. Is that possible, guys? Does anybody else know? Productive weekend. What sorcery is this? What are you talking about, Don? He's trying to figure out, like, if he changes this, like, if he wanted it squished like this, if he were to hit the bar to go back, but he wants it to stay squished. Is there a way to fix the price bar? I don't know. I always just click and drag, so it's not a big deal to me, but I know what he's saying. I just don't know how to do it. All right, here we are. Low a day. Let's get it. Let's get it. Damn. Tried to get a quick little ad there. Oh. All right, all right, all right. Getting frisky here. Yeesh. You know what? Gonna take an entry over here on the copy trader. See if it works. It's not working. Copy trader's not working. Son of a bee. Why is the copy trader not working? $24,794. No. Oh god. Oh god, no. It says there's a bunch of sell orders out, but I'm not. I'm confused. Well, it should take care of this by itself, I guess. All right, I'm just gonna exit out, I think. All right, so took a trade on the main account on the growth account. Oh, come on. Use 800 exactly. Damn you. Don't do that. I thought we'd get the 800 pop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. It literally used exactly 800, didn't it? 799.25. Damn it. The copy trader did not work. And I used the right account. Heck. All right, well, this sucks over here. Not the end of the world, but annoying. Went right back down. Grab another one. All right, I'm trying to figure out why this didn't work. Let me disable and re-enable, I guess. Let me put an order way out down here. All right, it has an order out for everything. It just didn't fill. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't know. Oh shit. All right. Really don't want to add too close here. I can't believe that came up and missed me by what? Again, man. Just a point or two? I don't remember where my order was at, but it was like right at 800. But it ran right into 800. I thought for sure we'd come get the retest at 810.
You gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing.
Really playing with fire today. Hopefully we don't just fall off the cliff here. Being a little patient with my next ad. Yeah, we're just kind of grinding down here. This isn't good. Any of you guys get snow? Yeah, we got snow. Got about 2 inches. New Jersey got whacked. Alpine was showing me a picture. They got whacked. He said he had like almost 3 feet of snow with the drifts. That's crazy. Ah, shit. Now we fight. Didn't really want to be in this fight. All because we got missed by a couple frickin' ticks again, or points. This isn't looking good. It's looking like it wants to just roll. Getting further and further away. Can't even break previous candle. Not looking good. Not looking good. We've been here before. Oh boy. Not looking good, not looking good. This sucks. Didn't get the fill there. Is nothing. Just no bounce. I'm gonna start recycling shares if I have to here. All right, copy trader's working now. Not looking good for this eval that we were so close to passing, and now we're just gonna dump off a cliff. All because I got missed by 2 points. We're gonna lose this account. Wow. So sad. Wow. Yep. This thing is gone. This thing is gone. I can't even add anymore because we need it to bounce here and never touch again. It cannot go below those lows or we are toast. You got to be kidding me, man. I had my first take profit at 713.25 on the other account. It goes to 712. Like, it's the day of ticks, man. Getting absolutely smacked by ticks. Things moving 100 points and we're getting 4 ticked, 5 ticked. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Order was at 713.25. Goes to 712. Get out of here, man. Yeah, if this goes lower, this account's pretty much gone. That's so sad. We were so close. And it sure looks like it wants to keep going down. I can't believe we just got missed by 5 ticks again. Again. Are we going to test out our stop loss limit too today? Yeah, this account's gone. Wow. Literally within like $100 right there. It had to be. Did you imagine this comes all the way back real quick? That was, I don't know how close that was. We'd have to go back and look. Oh, well, you can't even see it on, you can't see that screen. That was crazy. That had to be pretty close. It was like within $100. But now if it goes any lower, we're screwed. So it has to work right here or it's toast. We were green again for a second on the other accounts. Nope. This thing is weak, man. It is not even, we have not broke a previous candle yet. We have yet to break a previous candle. I'm like getting half-ass scared. I'm only in 2 micros on the other accounts. I'm starting to get scared already. That would be one of the more luckiest things I've ever seen if we somehow come back over here. It cannot go lower than right where it's at. If it goes lower than 679.75, I'm pretty sure the account's gone. And it's not looking like it wants to stop right now. Can we break a previous candle? To the upside, I should say. Nope. Straight back down. Ugh, this is brutal. Oh, maybe? Maybe? The real question is, if we can get a push back up to these other 2 entries, do I take those off to give it more room? It's not going to matter. It's just going to, yeah, that account's gone. Well, that sucks. We worked so hard for that account, too. We were so close to passing it. That's so frustrating. All right, well, I guess we can go back over here. You guys can see this trade now. Imagine that's a bottom tick, too. I kind of hope it is for these accounts. I really don't want to lose $700 on all these accounts on the very first day I have them. I mean, granted, look at this. My order was right there. Look at this. My order was there, and look how close it came, and it didn't hit it. We still have not broken a previous candle's high. Still yet to break a previous candle high. And the worst part is I only lost 5,000 on that account, not 7,500, but that's the trailing drawdown for you. That's basically going to be a bottom tick. That's the shitty part, man. Now, I have stop losses in place, so I can't lose all the accounts. That part is not possible.
Order working.
I tried to get another ad there real quick. All right, we're breaking. Look at this. Literally a bottom tick. Look. Painful, man. Look at this. It's going to be so painful. We were so close to passing it, too. Oh, I have no idea. Look at this, man. I I just can't catch a break with my take profits today. If I even get filled that one extra contract up there, that my account's alive. Because we're not in as heavy as we are, etc. over on the move. That's the frustrating part. But we got missed by like 4 ticks. And that caused us to still be in that move with our average way up where it was. That's the frustrating part. Are you kidding me, man? Come on. This warranty is at least a bigger bounce than right here. Don't you dare just go straight back to the lows. You gotta be kidding me. This is a joke, man. It's literally using me as resistance. I know it's not for real. You know what I mean. What a joke. I was going to take one off at break even just to mitigate risk, but at that point I was like, all right, we're actually getting a rebound. So I was like, well, why would I not try to hold? Absolutely ridiculous. Jesus.
Order working. Order working.
What a joke. What a joke.
Stop filled. Order working.
Okay. I'm in a trade. I'll try to get out. Come on. Idea of the ad there was if it faked out and came back up and broke that candle, we should get hopefully a move back up here. That's the idea anyway. $700 retest. Nope. What a tease, man. What a tease. You can't make this stuff up, guys. You literally cannot make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up.
Order working.
You can't make this stuff up. You can't make it up. You really can't.
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
Just throwing money in the drain there. Come on, just either go or stop me out. Like, this is getting ridiculous. Like, the fact that it keeps running into my average or my take profits is just annoying. Like, what an annoying trade. Seriously, like, so annoying. Like, just get me out of it at this point. Please.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working.
All right. I'm ordering food for the kids. And I have to go grab it. Trying to use previous candle, but I need to let it get ahead of candle. I mean, if it wants to just give me this real quick, I'll be fine with it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm good with it. Oh, you guys couldn't even see that? Sorry. That whole time the P&L wasn't on the screen? My bad. Well, that was stressful. Unfortunately, we lost the 300K account, but...
Winning.
Got a nice little runner there on that one. Probably could have held it, but I got to go get their lunch. If I was going to hold it, I would have kept just using previous candle and see how far we can go, but I got to go. All right, I appreciate y'all being here. Yeah, the 300K account's gone. We were 2,000 away from passing. Pretty frustrated, actually. But, all right, I got to go. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Until then, stay safe.